Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to begin by locating clock and tapping on it. Now choose alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. Over here set up an hour and choose OK. Then you can pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and click on Add Label. Now label your alarm however you want to and click on OK. Then you can click on this little icon next to Vibrate to enable vibrations. And click on Default. Now select Dismiss or pick one of those sources. If you wish to select one of those melodies, you need to tap on the chosen one and go back. But you can always click on Add New instead, pick music from your smartphone. I will go with this one song and go back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, select Delete over here at the bottom left corner of it. And if you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!